Can I help you?
I'm Raven. Principal told me I should be in this class.
Are you sure you're in the right school? The one for problematic kids is right across the street.
You know, as a teacher, you are very quick to judge people. You don't even know me.
If you're such a know-it-all, I'm gonna give you a riddle. In fact, let's make this riddle for everyone. Whoever can solve it won't need to do your final assignment. I'll take your answers on Friday.
Ugh. Why do we always have to sit next to weirdos?
Don't be rude, Leia.
The fertile waters giving birth and catching those who melt in sun. His hands are stained in brother's blood, a son sent out to curse the one he loved. The answer is only one word. Good luck.
Did they kick you out of your previous school because you tried to kill someone?
Yes. Give it back.
No. Vice? That doesn't make any sense. I'll take this. Hope they will take you back to the mental hospital.
Excuse me, officer? Officer! Where are you taking him?
We got an anonymous call about someone having drugs in the school. Principal allowed us to check the lockers and found a bag of pills in this boy's locker. I'm taking him for further investigation.
I always knew this girl was bad news. Never mind, officer. Look, if you need any help, you can always ask me.
Thanks, ma'am, but I'm sure my men know how to do their job.
Of course, officer.
She's gonna blame me. I need to figure it out who is selling drugs before she can get me kicked out. My best offer is free tablets for $60. I think I have my first clue.
Yes, Leah?
Ma'am, Raven is cheating. She was just looking at Taylor's answer sheet.
What? I was not. I finished 20 minutes ago. I can give it to you.
Maybe you are finished so fast because you were copying the answers.
I will take your answer sheet, Raven. But if I ever catch you cheating again, you're going to need to explain it to the principal.
Fine.
Hey. The locker got stuck?
Yeah, my locker.
Yeah, these old things get stuck pretty easily. Let me help. You're welcome. Glad to help. And I'm sorry for Leah. I tried talking to her, but she won't listen to me.
Don't worry. same handwriting. Wait a minute. Here it is. This writing matches the one on the note. I just need to find out whose notebook is this.
So you're stealing now?
Hey,
How did you get Alice's notebook?
you know her?
You think I wouldn't recognize my best friend's notebook? You're really more stupid than I thought. Ma'am?
Yes?
Raven stole my friend's notebook. I think she needs to be expelled.
I knew we couldn't expect anything good of you, Raven.
Wait! Shouldn't we take this to the principal?
I'm in rush for a meeting now, but maybe tomorrow both of you stay after the class. And I am going to make sure that you get punished accordingly, Raven. So, it's already Friday. Has any one of you managed to solve the riddle?
Vice.
Very good, Leah. No wonder you're the best in the class.
That's not fair. She took a page from my notebook which had the answer to the riddle.
Really? Then prove it.
I don't have any proof.
Congratulations, Leah. You don't need to do the final assignment.
Wait,
You have anything else to say, Raven?
ask her to explain the riddle. I'm sure she won't be able to do that. Because the explanation was not in the page she took from me.
I'm sure that's not a problem. Right, Leah?
Well, she's the one selling drugs in school.
What?
Yeah, check her backpack.
You don't have a right to do that.
I always knew it was you. In your backpack. Where did you put them?
3, 2,
What are you doing?
1.
Officer, you're right on time. We just found out who was selling drugs in the school.
Yes, we found them too. Leah Carter, I'll have to ask you to come with me.
Wait, there must have been a mistake. It's Raven who did it.
Ma'am, Raven came to me just before the class and showed me all the clues that she found. She also gave the drugs she found in Miss Leah's locker room.
She's lying.
My colleague's already checking for the fingerprints, so if it wasn't you, you have nothing to be afraid of. But for now, Miss Carter, please, come with me.
How did you know it was Leah?
I like riddles.
Speaking about riddles, I saw how Leah stole the answers from Raven. I'm sure if you asked her to explain the answer, she would.
It's a riddle within a riddle. Each sentence refers to a different mythological figure. For example, the first one is Venus, as she was born out of the water. The second line refers to Icarus, because the wax in his wings melted when he was too close to the sun and fell out of the sea. I was confused when you said that the answer is only one word. But after figuring out the other lines, I realized that their first letters of their names makes the word wise.
To tell the truth, I would have never thought you to be so educated.
I told you you shouldn't judge me without knowing me first.
You were right. I guess I owe you an apology. I am sorry for not believing in you. I should have never judged you. And you did solve the riddle. That means you don't need to do the final assignment.
Congratulations.